Guys, I'm being so extra with my outfit choice today. I just ate, so ignore the pooch. Like, look at the back. Can y'all see? It's so cute. I'm so whitewashed because of this lighting. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erin, better known as Tamil Erin if you're new to my channel. Welcome, I'm so happy that you're here. And guys, my life. The things I've been going through is just adulting. I just never knew, you know, how to get my car tags done, how to set up my electric bill, how to set up my water bill, how to get my car insurance switched to my name, how to get my phone bill switched to my name. I wanted this video to be like how to adult and what I've learned over these last 5 months. I also wanted this to be my apartment tour. If most of you know, because you follow me on social media, on Snapchat and Instagram, you know that I have moved to El Paso, Texas. So I found a new apartment and a lot of videos are like apartment tours where they never like show you how did they find the apartment? When you're in a new city all by yourself, like how do you go apartment hunting? I want this video to address all things adulting. So first, let's start with the apartment tour. So right when you walk in, you go down this hallway. To the left is gonna be a door. That door leads to my bathroom, but we're gonna go in there in a minute. So right when you come through the hallway is my living area. And this is my favorite part of the apartment. I am just so in love with everything that I've picked out. My apartment is about 70% done. So my apartment looks super, super nice in the evening time as well as the daytime. I think evening is my favorite, so I'm gonna add clips in here from evening when the sun's going down and just show you the views and everything like that. So this apartment complex is very old, it's not modern at all, it's old fashioned, it's charming, that's the word I like to use, like my apartment is very charming, okay? So when you look to the right, you're gonna see my desk, and I love my desk area. I spend like all of my time here at my desk on my computer. I got a lot of the trinkets on my desk, like the A and my flowers from TJ Maxx, and then I have my iMac, of course. Then I have my desk. My desk I got from Target, and it's kind of like this distressed wood. I don't know if the word is distressed. I don't know. I'm not a home decor expert, but we're just gonna say distressed wood, okay? Put it all together, all by myself. And then we're gonna come to my chair, and my chair again has that kind of distressed wood look. So I got this desk chair from Home Goods, and to the left of my desk is this plant, this faux plant. All my plants are fake, and I got this from Home Goods. I love it. I think it just kind of I needed something green in here. And to the right of my desk is my like tables that I'm eating on. What are they called? Like tray tables. I don't have a dining room set yet. So then let's move to the chimney area. So I do have a chimney. It's really, really cute, and I think it's fake. I don't think that you can turn it on, but I really want to get some like fake wood to put in there. So then we're gonna move on to the living room area, and this is my couch, okay? When I tell you I love my couch so much, I did not think that I would like this kind. It's like a grayish purple color. So I was in West Elm, and West Elm is so expensive. It is out of my price range, but West Elm is going out of business here. So I was like, thank God. It's also missing a leg, like in the back. Like there's 3 legs in the front and like 3 legs in the back, and this back one, the middle back one, is like missing, and that's like it looks like it's not, like it doesn't look bad, and you're never gonna be under there. So that's why it was so discounted. So it's just like, this was a steal. Like this was definitely a steal. I got all of these throw pillows from Home Goods. So then here's my coffee table. My coffee table is from West Elm also. When things are going on sale, you must get it. So when I saw the price, I was like, I had to call the sales associate over. I was like, is this ugly? I was like, why is no one bought this? And it's heavy, like it's gotta be 70 pounds. Like the top, I can barely lift the top. And it has this like diamond kite cutout, and I just love the texture of it. Oh my goodness, it's so gorgeous. And then I just kind of decorated my coffee table with this tray. If you watched my old room tour, and I'll link that right here for you guys. This is the same tray from my old room, and I just decorated it. I think I got all of these things from TJ Maxx. But then we're gonna move on to where my TV stand is. And my TV stand, again, I got from Home Goods, and I love it. When I got it, I was like, yeah, I really want the TV stand. And the woman's like, this isn't a TV stand. I was like, well, I'm gonna use it as a TV stand. She's like, well, it's really low to be a TV stand. And I was like, I mean, it's perfect for me. It's super level with my sofa. It has a lot of storage in it. And for smaller apartments like mine, you want as much storage as you can. And the wood is very distressed again. So it kind of ties into my desk and my chair. It kind of ties the entire room together because all those woods kind of match. So then to the left of my couch is a gorgeous lamp that I put together myself. I got it from Target. It's like a dimming lamp, so it dims at night, and it's so pretty in here at night. Oh my goodness. So next to the lamp is my drop zone. And when I say drop zone, I mean like a place I could throw my keys and like throw my purse down when I come in, take off my boots or take off my shoes, whatever. I found this cute little box, and it also serves as a like an extra seating area. I got this piece from Home Goods, and if you open it up, it has like cute, gorgeous little pockets like in the top of it. And this is where I throw my purse, throw my keys. It's cold outside, so I throw my gloves in there. And when it comes to home decor for me, I'm not matchy-matchy. So the top of this, the pattern of this drop zone box is red and blue. And I have no red and blue in my apartment, but I loved the pattern of it. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get it. And I still think it works in this space. So to the right of my couch is my blanket area. I got this cute basket, this woven basket from Target for like $25. And I just put my blankets in there. The furniture is mine. I did not lease my furniture. You don't know how many friends told me. One of my friends told me that she is leasing her furniture for like 2 years. Like in 2 years, she'll own all of her furniture. That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. Don't lease your furniture. If you can't afford a couch, don't get a couch. If you can't afford a chair, don't get a chair, okay? I'm very Dave Ramsey, like obsessed with him recently. Debt is just not, like, you're in debt. So if I can't pay cash for it, I'm not getting it. So how did I find this apartment? Let's start the adulting part of this video. So I found this apartment by driving by. I was apartment shopping for maybe 3 weeks, and I was going online. There's a lot of different apartment sites, and you put in what you want to pay for rent, and all these things will pop up. So I visited maybe like 5, 6 different apartments, and I went in, I had people show me around. So, cause when I was like, all right, this is the apartment complex that I want, I came here at different times of the day to make sure that it was quiet, because I cannot live with children. Like I cannot live with college students who are loud. Within like 2 weeks of me visiting, I want to move in. They needed to get something from me. I think they needed like proof of the fact that I could afford it. So I had to provide them with some like proof of my employment at UTEP, and they were like, all right, you know, what's your social security number? They need to do a background check on me. So after that, I signed my lease, and that was it. So water and trash. My water and trash is allocated. And what I feel like that means, I'm almost positive, because I haven't got my first bills yet, because I'm a one bedroom, I live by myself, there's no one else lives with me, they average my water compared to everybody else. So they said it should be about $30 to $35 a month for water. And because it's allocated, there's not like a separate place that I need to set up my water bill with. Like there's not some water company that I need to reach out to get a bill. My apartment complex bills me my water bill. But now my electric bill is separate. So I had to call El Paso Electric and set up my electric bill, and it was very, very easy. I just called the place. I was like, hey, my name is Erin, I'm moving into apartment so and so. They're like, okay, showed me how to pay online. Easy. Now, setting up Wi-Fi and cable. So there's a place called Spectrum here. And again, your apartment complex should walk you through all of the steps. How do I pay for water? How do I pay for trash? How do I pay for electric? How do I pay for cable? How do I pay for Wi-Fi? They know what to do. My Wi-Fi and cable bill is through my rent. So I don't have to pay a separate bill because my rent covers cable and Wi-Fi already. I went to Spectrum and they gave me this big bag with a modem in it. A modem is like the Wi-Fi thingy and a cable box. So I got all of that, brought it home. They were like, all right, call this number and they will tell you how to set it up. Took me 45 minutes to set up my Wi-Fi because I'm slow. And the guy on the phone just walked me through everything. Again, it's super, super easy. They helped me set up my cable. They told me where to like plug everything in. Super easy. My fear was I didn't know how to do it, but there are people put in place to teach you how to do it. Like, it's very, very simple, but it's time consuming. So it's like, it can be overwhelming. All right, so switching your phone bill and your car insurance bill into your name, very easy. My phone bill and my car insurance were in my mother's name, and now they're in mine. So I just called the phone company with my mom on the phone. They were like, what's the password, da, da, da. Got on my own phone plan. Same with the car insurance. I was just like, hey, Esurance, like, I'm my own woman now. Switch it to me and put it in my name. They were like, okay. So my car. So my mother bought my car for me maybe like 5 years ago and it's still chugging along, still running. I'm not gonna get a new car until this car breaks down. Like, it's just not gonna happen. So because I moved to another state, I'm from Atlanta, now I'm moving to El Paso. So I'm in Texas. So in Texas, the rule is you have to have a license plate on the front of your car and the back of your car. So to get new tags, I had to bring my emissions, and I had emissions from Georgia, so they're like, you need emissions in Texas. So I had to freaking leave the place, get my emissions done in Texas, and come back. It takes like 2 seconds. You just go to this emissions place, 20 bucks, you're good to go. I had to bring my car title because my mom wanted, because the car was my mother's name, so I needed to switch it into my name. So I brought the car title. I had to get the bill of sale. The bill of sale shows that she gave it to me. Bring your proof of car insurance. So Esurance, I have a online app for it, and I don't have to carry around like a piece of paper of proof of insurance. And then I had to bring, obviously, my license. It was a simple process. It was simple, but I had to pay a lot of money to get my tags changed. Like, there's like some one-time fee you have to pay moving to Texas to get your tags. I was like, it was a lot of money. And everything I just talked about, everything is in writing. And let me show you where I keep all of my important documents. So this, Life is Good, this little kind of like folder thingy, I got it from Walmart. All of my important things are in here. So it's like, it has like tabs. I don't know if you guys can see because the lighting is terrible, but it has like a bunch of tabs. I have my lease, I have my emissions that I got done, I have my car insurance, and then I have my car title because the car is now mine. I have my medical receipt because I got sick a couple weeks ago, and I went to this emergency care that's covered by my health insurance. Like, all I had to do was give a $30 copay, but I called them like 40 times, like, give me the receipt to tell me that I don't have to pay you anything. Because y'all gonna call me talking about, oh, I owe $5, and then my stuff's gonna go into collections because y'all didn't give it. So I have my receipts that I don't owe anything. Bank routing numbers. I have like all of my transcripts, like from college and stuff, just in case like I need to send out a transcript or something. I have my proof that I am licensed to teach in Georgia. And then I have like, AKA, again, I'm in a sorority, so like proof that I've paid to be active, things like that. So everything that I have, every like important document, car, bills, everything is in here. And then I email myself everything. So like, I'm not gonna lose anything. I don't lose things.